How to fix file loading errors in Mobile Legends. Here's how. To begin with, launch the Play Store app on your mobile device. Now search for the Mobile Legends app and open the official app. Then if you notice an update button instead of play, make sure to update the game, as running an outdated version can often cause loading issue. If updating doesn't fix it, open your phone settings and scroll down to apps option and click on it. Likewise, click on manage app from the list of options. Then find and select Mobile Legends. Next, click on storage. Then choose clear data. After that, select clear all data and confirm by tapping OK. However, keep in mind, this will log you out of all the accounts, so you will need to sign in again. Finally, this step should resolve the file loading error and get you back into the game without problems. And that's all. I hope this video helped.